choose them party now. I choose Zion way. I choose New Jerusalem, the kingdom of Yah.
The Restoration Village, the restoration of heaven on earth through the revitalization of the African village concept. The concepts of the restoration of the African village are born out of an African godly perspective. That is, they are not founded upon any particular religion, but rather from a definite set of principles, spiritual principles that are in harmony with God. These principles become the building blocks of life and the keys for the maintenance of the planet for the benefit of all living beings.
The things we think, yeah.